Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, English 2018, question number 9. In each of the questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or words or phrase in italics. This card entitles you to attend the film show. So the word is entitles. Option A, disqualifies. B, discourages. C, disenchants. D, satisfies. Now for a quick one, the right option should be disqualified, because it's either you're entitled to attend or you're disqualified. That means you're not entitled. So option A is the right answer, but to get a very clear picture of what is happening, we need to give the definition of the definitions of the various words concerned. So let's look at entitled. Simply means to give somebody the authority. You understand? To do something, to give legitimacy or authority to do something. You understand? Now disqualifies means to deny somebody or to declare somebody ineligible to do something. That means you cannot attend. Whereas discourage means to cause someone to lose confidence. Discourages, cause somebody or someone to lose confidence or to lose enthusiasm. So it's either you're losing confidence or you're losing enthusiasm to do something. So you're no longer willing to do something. Disenchant means to cause someone to be disappointed. To cause someone to be disappointed. That's the meaning of disenchant. And satisfy simply means to meet the expectations. To meet someone expectations. That is, you're satisfying the person. Or to meet someone needs. Or it could also be to meet someone desires. So all these are satisfy. So you can simply see that entitled means to give somebody legitimacy, authority, or legibility to do something, but disqualify is making something ineligible. That means you're not qualified to do something. So these two are direct opposite to one another. So that makes option A the right answer, and that is why we're picking it. Thank you.